Is the new 2025 Subaru Forester finally exciting, or just another boring box on wheels? Today we're getting our first look at Subaru's completely redesigned compact SUV, and the answer might surprise you. Right off the bat, this 6th-generation Forester looks sharper than before. The front end has more presence, the profile is cleaner, and overall it appears more modern without alienating loyal Subaru fans. Standing next to it, you immediately notice the elevated ride height and those standard roof rails that practically scream adventure. Under the hood, Subaru plays it safe with the familiar 2.5-liter flat-4 engine making 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. No turbo option here, folks. Paired with a continuously variable transmission and standard all-wheel drive, this powertrain isn't winning any drag races, but it should deliver the reliability Subaru owners demand. Stepping inside reveals where Subaru has made the biggest improvements. The new 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen dominates the center console in all but base models, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The interface looks clean and responsive based on our first interactions. The interior materials feel noticeably improved, with better plastics and more soft-touch surfaces throughout. The seats are comfortable and offer good visibility all around, a Subaru trademark. Rear seat space is generous, and the cargo area expands to an impressive 75 cubic feet with the seats folded. One feature worth highlighting is the new hands-free power liftgate, a first for the Forester. Wave your foot under the bumper, and the tailgate opens automatically, perfect for when your hands are full of camping gear. Safety remains a Forester selling point, with Subaru's EyeSight system standard across all trims. You get automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist without paying extra. Pricing starts at $31,115 for the base model and climbs to $41,390 for the loaded touring trim. The sweet spot seems to be the sport model at $35,890, which adds distinctive bronze accents, heated front seats, and the larger infotainment screen. So, is the 2025 Forester exciting? Not exactly, but that's not what Subaru buyers typically want. Instead, it delivers meaningful improvements in the areas that matter most: comfort, technology, and practicality. It's still very much a Forester, just a better one. For adventure-seeking families who prioritize reliability over flash, this new Forester makes a compelling case. Just don't expect it to set your heart racing when you press the accelerator. That's never been the Forester's mission, and Subaru seems perfectly fine with that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.